Hi guys, I'm Navya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you my garden. So let's get started. So our first plant is sunflower. We have two plants of sunflower in our garden. First is this that have a sunflower, and second is here. I'm going to show you that. You can see this plant. This one is our sunflower, and our next plant is this bougainvillea. In our balcony means our another garden that is in our house means balcony. We have a small plant of pink bougainvillea, and some flower are blown in that plant. I think the sunflower will blow in this plant too after some days. So this is our portulaca that you know, and now we have so many colors of portulacas in our garden. First is our this white, pink, orange, and yellow, and that there is one red, and this chalk one, dark pink one, and many flowers of portulaca have blown in this thermocol pot. And this is our plumeria plant, and that's our double pattern canary. Double pattern canary blows the flowers that blow in for double pattern canary looks so beautiful. And there is our yellow one, and there is our aloe vera plant. It's our single pattern oleander means canary, and this is our datura plants that is looking so good, and you can see many birds. I think 2 or 3. I can see two birds only, but I think more birds will be there. Many birds are there in this plant, and that's our oleander. It's looking so good, and 3 hibiscus are blown in our garden today. Now we have so many colors of hibiscus. I think 7 or 8 colors, and there's our parsley. Parsley plants have blow pink flowers, and this is our Mexican petunia. Its color is so good, and this is our chilies plant. Many chilies have had blown in this plant, but my mother harvested them, and many other chilies means some flowers are now here again. And our this giloy is growing well, very good. And there is our portulaca, and this giloy plant is also growing so nicely. I'm thinking to make a video on some benefits of giloy. So after some days I will make in the next video. The video that I will make after this video will be on some benefits of giloy plant. I will also tell you the English name, what we say giloy in English. This is I forgot this plant name, but I think you have know the plant name, this plant's name. And this is our purple hat, as you know, because my mother have made a video very so many times. And pencil cactus, spider not spider not sorry snake plant, and here is our spider plant. This sunflower, I didn't understand why. I didn't understand how many days it will take to blow properly, and it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I doesn't have anything to say about it. And today our garden is filled with flowers and flower all sides. That is, that you have seen it today. And I'm going to end this video now. If you think that it's a good video, then like this video, and friends, bye bye.